In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google Analytics certificate to LinkedIn. This is a great way to enhance your professional profile, showcasing your skills and certifications for potential employers or collaborators to see. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy for a smooth sign-in process. Once you're on LinkedIn, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click, then from the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn page where you can showcase all your career accomplishments. Once you're viewing your profile, look for the Add Profile section button on your page. It's usually positioned towards the top, and clicking it will reveal a list of further options to enrich your profile. From the menu that pops up, select Recommended. This action will display a selection of additional items you can include in your profile. One of these is Add Licenses and Certifications, which is the option you're going to choose next. Now comes the exciting part, adding your Google Analytics certification. In the pop-up form that appears, start by entering the name of your certification. Make sure you spell it correctly and use the full title, Google Analytics Certification. After you've entered the certification name, it's time to specify the issuing organization. Type in Google as they are the official provider of this certification. With that done, you'll need to select the issue date of your certification. You can typically find this information on the certificate itself. Choose the correct month and year from the drop-down menus provided. If your certification has an expiration date, there's a field for that too. Make sure to fill it in accurately to ensure your profile stays up to date. Next, you'll need to enter the credential ID. This ID is unique to your certification and can often be found on your certificate or in an email from Google. Afterward, enter the credential URL if there is one. This link might lead to a verification page or the official site where your certification can be viewed. Once you've filled in the basic details, LinkedIn also offers the option to enhance your certification entry by adding a relevant skill. Doing this can boost your profile's visibility to recruiters looking for specific expertise. Additionally, you can add media related to your certification, such as a PDF of the certificate or a relevant project. Finally, review all the details one last time. If everything looks correct, click on the Save button to update your profile. Your certification will now be live on LinkedIn for others to see, making your profile more robust and informative. Congratulations, you've successfully added your Google Analytics certification to LinkedIn. Keep these skills up to date as they evolve and continue building your professional presence online.